Hi all. This is a first class of certificate course on psychosocial well-being. Uh, Firstly, I welcome you all to the certificate course on psychosocial well-being. I hope all of you gone through the syllabus that mentioned in the uh, e-portal. So in the portal we mentioned some of the points which is going to discuss in the certificate course. So hope you all gone through it. Then today is our first session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the syllabus firstly, then what are the things we are going to discuss in the entire course, and what is the purpose of this course. We are going to discuss that. Uh, when we are going to the before going to the syllabus, I hope all of you join the WhatsApp group which we already created. The link also is there in the portal. You can click the link and join to the WhatsApp group. uh, why? Because we are doing this is recorded sessions, but our interactions or your doubt clearing, everything we can do it in the WhatsApp group. So whatever confusion, whatever things to discuss, uh, instructions regarding the course, everything will be there in the WhatsApp group. So go through the e-portal and get the link and join the WhatsApp group as soon as possible. Okay, I'm come to the point. In this course, we are discussing why we are. The first question is why. What is the purpose of this course? So the first one, this course will help you to become a better human, to learn lots of skills, life related skills like self awareness, empathy, understand others, uh, how to uh, how to make a better interpersonal relationship skills. Everything we discussed uh, in these sessions, coming upcoming sessions. So today, actually, we are going to discuss about the entire syllabus. What are the things we are going to uh, discuss this entire certificate course. So, in this session, first of all, the professional faculties will taking sessions. I'm the one of the faculty. My name is Akhil. Uh, I'm a counselor of St. Aloysius College. Hope you some of you at least know me. I'm Akhil, counselor. Some other faculties also will take upcoming sessions. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about our uh, syllabus topics, and what are the things we are going to cover. Uh, so, the first of all, we begin with the psychosocial well-being. What is psychosocial well-being? In the sense, introduction part, understanding. The first module is introduction to psychosocial well-being, understanding the concept of psychosocial well-being, factors affecting mental health and well-being. These two going to discuss in the first module. In the understanding the concept of psychosocial well-being, holistic perspective, mental health component, emotional well-being, social connections, purpose and meaning, stress management, work-life balance, cultural sensitivity, preventive mental health, community and collective well-being, digital well-being, self-care, and lifestyle. So, as an introduction, understanding the concept of psychosocial well-being, these are the things is going to discuss in the first module. In the first module, the second part is factors affecting mental health well-being. uh, there are different types of factors which is affecting our mental health and our well-being. So the first factor is biological factors, psychological factors, social environment, economic factors, cultural influence, life events, stresses, physical health, access to healthcare, trauma and advertising, technology and social media, substance use and addiction, environment and some other environmental factors also. So this is the first module. The skeletal structure is already mentioned in the portal, but the explain now I'm here explaining the all modules, and the just mentioning the topics also. Okay. In the module 2, stress management, recognizing and managing stress, uh, coping strategies and resilience building. In the module 2, under the stress management, recognizing and managing stress, the first topic is recognizing stress, physical sign, emotional indicators, cognitive clues, sources of stress, daily hustles, work related, personal life, social life, coping strategies and resilience building, mindfulness and relaxation techniques, time management, social support, physical activity. Then healthy lifestyle choices, balanced diet, uh, adequate sleep, limit stimulants, problem solving, identifying stressor, develop solution, seeking professional help, therapy, counseling, medical support, mind body techniques like yoga, art therapy, breathing exercises, JPMR. It's also a relaxation technique. Then regular assessment, reflect, adjustment strategies, all things we are going to discuss in the module 2. So module 2 is a stress management and recognizing and managing stress. The third module, emotional intelligence, we will discuss emotional intelligence, otherwise we call it as emotional quotient, EQ. We know intelligence, IQ, intelligence quotient, EQ, emotional quotient, emotional intelligence. In the emotional intelligence, understanding EI, understanding emotional intelligence, self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, motivation, social skills, cultivating emotional intelligence, how we can improve our emotional intelligence in leadership, measuring and assessing emotional intelligence, how emotional intelligence can change your life. That's also discussing in this module. So module 3 is understanding emotional intelligence, self-awareness, empathy, self-regulation, motivation, social skills, cultivating emotional intelligence in leadership, measuring and assessing emotional intelligence, how emotional intelligence can change your life. These topics we discuss in the module 3. So moving to the fourth module. Fourth module is self-care and self-compassion. Self-care and self-compassion. Day-to-day life, we are not enough, not that much caring ourselves. Self-care is one of the major and important thing in the today's life. Especially we all are busy. We all are moving our everyday, day to day in a busy schedule. So self-care and self-compassion is very important. How we can do importance of self-care we will discuss here. Then defining self-care, physical health, mental health, preventing burnout situations, how we'll prevent, enhanced productivity, stress management, improved relationship, setting boundaries, enhancing the emotional resilience, self-awareness, work-life balance, cultural consideration, the things we discussed in the last modules also. Then types of self-care and overcoming guilt, how we can uh, overcome guilt also we'll discuss. The entire fourth module is self-care and self-compassion. Okay, we are moving to the, in the fourth module, the second part, uh, cultivating self-compassion, how self-compassion will cultivate it, understanding self-compassion, components of self-compassion, self-kindness practice, mindfulness. Then overcoming self-criticism, coping with failure and mistakes, building resilience, self-compassion in relation, cultural sensitivity, measuring and tracking self-compassion. Also, we will discuss in this fourth module. So, fourth module is a two-part: importance of self-care and cultivation of self-compassion. Self-care and self-compassion. Okay. We are moving to the module 5, building positive relationship. Here we are discussing the interpersonal relationship, how we can uh, find good friends, how we can uh, how we can improve our relationships, interpersonal relationship, how we can find and understand good relationship, healthy relationship, and how we can avoid especially toxic relationships. That's also we discuss in this building positive relationship module 5. In this module 5, there are different parts. The first one is effective communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, active listening, feedback, clarification, emotional intelligence in communication, cultural sensitivity, assertiveness, and confidence. Conflict resolution, technology, communication, presentation skill. In the conflict resolution and relationship building, understanding conflict resolution style, effective communication, empathy, negotiation skill, forgiveness, reconciliation, team conflict. Building relationships, cultural sensitivity in relationship, feedback and appreciation, measuring the quality, understanding the conflict. Then in the module 5 itself, boundary management in relationship, boundary management in relationship, define relationship boundary, types of relationship boundaries, communication of boundaries, revolution, mutual boundaries, respecting individual autonomy. uh, then boundary violation, how the boundary violation happens, how we can overcome that, how we can prevent that, conflict resolution, boundary violation and conflict resolution, uh, balancing independence and togetherness, uh, cultural and personal differences, understand the cultural and personal differences. Here we discuss about some personality related things also, adapting boundaries over time, empathy and understanding, building trust through boundaries, measuring relationship and boundary, measuring relationship boundary. So this is the major 5 modules, and these all are the topics we are going to discuss. The first module is an introduction to psychosocial well-being. Second is stress management, recognizing and managing stress. And module 3, emotional intelligence. Module 4, self-care and self-compassion. And module 5, building positive relationship. Then so that's it. This is the 5 modules which we going to discuss in the upcoming classes. So there will be an examination regarding the certificate course. There will be an online examinations, MCQ type of questions we are planning to do. So one word or MCQ kind of questions will be there in the when we are going to the when we are completing each module. There will be a test. So each each test you have to attend mandatorily, and that score also will consider in the case of certification. So if you didn't attend the class properly, you could not able to attend the examination, so it will affect. So don't miss any kind of any classes. All the classes are important, which is taken by the different uh, faculties. So uh, attend the session on time. Then regarding certificate course, any kind of doubt you can clarify in the in our WhatsApp group. So those who didn't uh, join the group, please join the group immediately. Then each module the session is going to upload. So each session you have to go through and uh, study properly. Okay, any kind of doubt you can ask in the